Hello, everybody. I hope you people can hear me. Hello, can people hear me? Let me see. Okay, all right. So, good morning, traders. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's market review. And of course, your host for today. My name is Olusegun. If you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. If you are a returning student or a returning trader, you're also welcome. So I'm glad to be here, and I want to read your comments before I get started. I can see a lot of people saying yes, 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 we can, yes, we can. All right. So yes, we can this morning, yes, we can this week. And of course, it's going to be a very beautiful week for all of us. Green pips always. Thank you very much, Adenuga. Adenuga. Okay. All right. So thank you very much, everybody. Let's quickly look at it. If you look at my screen, you see that I have about 13 instruments that I want us to look at, 13 of them. So that should give us enough space to look at things and see if we can take one or two trades together. Now, you need to know that when I say 13, it doesn't mean that we have to take trade on all 13. It means that we can take trade as we want. So if I open a particular one and you like it, you can pick a trade from it. But like I said, let me just quickly look at our scan through and see if there's anything I want us to quickly do this morning. Okay, that means if there's any of them that I want you to really jump in and place trade on. So the one I will recommend, even before I look at the reason why I might ask you to place a trade on it, is probably this US30. So can we just jump into a trade on it altogether? So I'm going to place a trade. Who can guess? Buy or sell? Let me read the comment section. What kind of trade do you think I'll place here? Buy or sell? Are you Felix? Welcome. I want to hear from people that are returning already. Looking at the chart as it is on US 100, or sorry, US 30. Okay, so Femi Adewi, thank you very much. So let's go ahead and buy. I like it that you guys said buy because that means you are reading my mind, or you are already, in this business for a long time enough to know that when the price fall like that, you expect a retracement. So let's jump in and see if we can make some money together this morning. That's it. So we have placed a buy on that. Now let's look at another one, even before we analyze the reason why we might place a trade buy or sell. Another one that I would like for us to look at might be Euro USD. Let me check. Euro USD might just be another opportunity for us to, let me check, just be sure. Buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or sell. Let's find out. So if we zoom in a little bit closer, we see that, so about 4 hours of close and personal. See that also. So I think Euro USD might just be an opportunity for us to, let me be sure. Okay, so we're broken all barriers at that level. Okay, so let's see if we can just hold on for a bit. I think even if we're going to place a buy on Euro USD, we might just need to wait until the price fall to this neck region. Okay, so buy limit will be ideal right now. Buy limit at 1.06351. So we're going to go into Euro USD and do 1.06351. Let me edit this horizontal line to 1.06351. 1.06351. 1.06351. Okay. All right. So that red line that you see on my screen might just be your way to place a buy. So let's do a buy limit on Euro USD already. Now, those people that are joining us later might miss this opportunity, which is okay. There are many things to look at. So we're going to do, instead of instant execution, we can just do pending order buy limit 1.06351. So that does it for us. And of course, our take profit can be anything. For example, if we want to target, say, 50 pips on this one, it's okay. I think 50 pips is fine, or even 100. But let's just do 50. 1.06351. So we are doing 50. So 851 will be ideal for 1.06851. Money. Okay, so that will take profit. Now, what about stop loss? If we do, say, for example, if we do like maybe 25, 30 pips, I think it will be ideal. So let's do, say, 25 pips. 35 minus 25 will be around 10, right? Okay, I think that should be it. All right, so 1.06. 1 will be 101.06. 6101. So let's do place. Sorry, 0.06. 06. Sorry, let me just 6. Let's just do 1.06. Sorry, 0.06. 100. Sorry. Buy limit 1.06351. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe off this stop loss first of all and do place. Still invalid. Okay, so let's wipe off the take profit completely. See if that one will help us get started. Okay. All right. So now that the trade is placed, what we can do is to see if we can. I actually wanted to remove this line. Okay. So take profits, I want it to be around 50 pips. So TP 1.06. 851. And stop loss 1.06101. Fine. Okay, so this should be about 25 pips. All right, and of course this should be about 50 pips. All right, so that's it for Euro USD. Now, Euro USD buy limit. What it means is that you can actually still buy on Euro USD at the moment that if the price even fall below the current level. And if you want to jump into buy directly, it's fine. I mean, it's good enough. So if you look at 1 hour chart on Euro USD, it's I think it's high time we start buying for Euro USD. Okay, so let's do a buy on it today. Or if the price falls to this level, you can still buy. Okay, so that's it for Euro USD. And of course, remember we have a lot of things to look at. So what I've been instructed also to look at is this crude oil. So I think crude oil might just be on its way down. That's looking at the chart structure at this. But then we can just go ahead and check with some indicators like this one. Okay, so what we can do for crude oil is to do sell limit. Let's do sell limit at $90.2. Sell limit at $90.2. So we are expecting the price to actually retrace to 90.2 and then we can place a sell. Okay, so instead of instant execution sell, we do sell limit 90.20. Pending order, sell limit 90.20. And of course, we do a place. Okay, so that's when what we're expecting the price to do is to retrace back to this moving average. We get back to this level, we expect a downfall. Okay, then we can jump into it and sell. That means we don't have to be there when the price does that. And of course, we can even set expiry for this one. So you can say expiry under modify. If the price does not retrace to that place today, you can just as well cancel it. So expiry is going to be tonight around 9 p.m. That will be 2100. So 2100. So we can modify now. So if this price doesn't come back to this price by 9 p.m. tonight, you can as well forget about it. It will not be any trade. So that's the position for crude oil. And of course, remember the current tension, geopolitical tension in the Middle East region is actually, a contributing factor to why the crude oil price might be falling going forward, right? Iran launching kind of like an attack on Israel, and Israel saying, Israel saying, oh, we'll not agree, or we'll not agree, we'll not agree, kind of something like that. And of course, so we expect the price of oil to actually retrace based on this information, all right? And now that Iran has also said that they are done with that attack, okay, so they want to kind of like, stay put or what they call ceasefire as of now. So that might just be the reason why the crude oil is falling. So I think by and large, sell limit is okay for crude oil. Now, the stop loss and take profits, the stop loss might actually be very large. Okay, we might actually consider this high. But if you don't want to take that much risk, we can consider this high. Okay, so this high, I think, is good enough for a stop out. If the price actually get back to this level, you can say, okay, we're not interested again. So 90.95 is good enough for stop loss. So therefore, we edit this price. I would say 90.95 is our stop loss. 90.95 stop loss. Now, take profit could be anything below this level, say around this 88.7 or even 88.95. So 88.95 would be ideal for our take profit. So we do modify. That does it for crude oil for us for today. So I think we have done about 3 instruments, and then we've done about gold. Gold price, I actually expected retracement. Whatever happened to gold last week was actually BRICS event. Okay. Let me read comment section before I continue. Please come again with Euro USD. I can't hear you. I can't see your screen. Now I'll repeat again. My network is bad. Okay. Sell stop. TP for oil. TP for whatever. Okay. So let me see if I can write all of them out for you guys. I'm going to go on Paint. Write out everything for you to see. Okay, so let me just adjust it. Don't worry, I'm going to share that screen. Some people said I should write out the information I have already on oil. So for oil price, I have sell limit, and the take profit and stop loss is spelled out correctly. So let me come around here. Don't worry, I'm going to reveal what I'm writing. Sell limit. Take profit is equal to, so sell limit at 90.20, TP equal to 88.95, stop loss equal to 90.95. That's for crude oil. That's for crude oil. So I'm going to share that screen right now for everybody to see. Okay, so I think you can see my screen right now. That's sell limit. This is one is for crude oil. Okay, crude oil. Crude. And for Euro USD, that's something different. We did a buy limit. I'm going to get this price for you right now for Euro USD. Euro USD buy limit. Let me check again. Yeah, we did buy limit. Buy limit at 1.06351. So at 1.06351. Now remember that for Euro USD, we did, that's 1.06. So we did take profit equal to 50 pips. Stop loss. I don't know where to write that stop loss. Let me see if I can expand this. Okay, stop loss equal to 25 pips. That's for Euro USD. And for US30, that's the third instrument. In fact, that's the first one we did. US30, we did instant execution buy. So go ahead and execute those trades. Of course, I'll wait for you on the clean side of life. Okay, so that's so far so good. But today we have done 3 and we are still working strong. So we did this one instant execution. We have not set TP and SL. But I think if we must set TP and SL for this one, we could as well just go ahead and do that right now. The stop loss will be the lowest it has achieved in the past week. So we're going to go this low or even this low. Now, why we are going that low is because we would have said, okay, we just want something like this, okay, something around there. But then if we look behind, we also have a low previously around this level. So it will be okay for us to actually locate a lower low below that level. So this level is good enough for our stop loss. And of course, our take profit can be anything we want, anything today. So all through today, we expect this price to actually be volatile enough to give us money. Okay. Our take profit is about 460 points, and our stop loss is about 341 points. Okay. That's basically it for USDT. But if you must copy all the figures, then here are they. Buying, we did instant execution on US100. So that means I cannot give you a price. That means you have to buy instantly and at your own price. And the take profit we used was 388.64. And the stop loss was 380.63. I think you should just copy that and then we can forge it. I can tell you the reason why we are buying for that. Okay, then we can jump to the analysis. Somebody say volume is low. Well, sir, can you please raise your voice a little? I'm not hearing you. Okay. What of US30? Okay, screen. Please, sir, which time frame is okay for us to place straight? Any time frame. I'm the one analyzing and I'm using 1 hour. So that one is for a million billions. Wow, billions. You asked a question. You said which time frame is okay for you to place this trade. You didn't say place trade. Since you said this trade, that means the trade we are taking right now. That means any time frame you are, wherever you are, it's good enough because I am the one analyzing the price. But then I'm using 1 hour because that's my favorite time frame as a day trader. Okay, so somebody see my screen. Okay, let me enable my screen. I need to look at. Oh, that's true. That's my screen. Okay, so all right, so the take profit, since we are looking at it now, let me do that again. US100. Take profit for US100 is 388.64. Stop loss for US100 is 380.63. Okay, do that, and then we are good to go. Now, we are using that stop loss and take profit because, especially for stop loss, we see that of recent, if I delete this, of recent, we have a low at this level. So since we are buying now, we are expecting a retracement to the upper level. If the price choose to not go up and choose to go down, then we expect to exit when the price break below this low. And at that level here, we are comfortable. Why? Because in the recent past, we have a low at this level. Okay, can you see it? That's even lower than this level, all right? Okay, this is a level, and then this is another level. So if you look at it critically, then you say that with comfort, we are okay with the level we are. And the price there then was or is 388.64. That's for take profit and 380.63 for stop loss. So instant execution for US100, buy limit for Euro USD, and sell limit for crude oil. Right? Sell limit for crude oil. Now let's jump into USD CAD very fast, and I'm going to just go straight to my favorite analytics indicator. This one is saying that it's on a USD CAD might continue to push up, but then I will advise that you stay off USD CAD for today. Okay, because the USD CAD on the D1 has moved ferociously to the upper side. So if you are buying now, you might be wrong because you expect to retracement. Price is a volatile thing. Price is of zigzag formation. Price does not move in a straight line. You don't expect the price to just jump in something like that when it is not good. I did that last week. It's not right to at least bounce and retrace and retrace and retrace. So here might just be a zone of, a range zone. Okay, after this jump off, I believe the price will still push up, right? But then you need to, hold up. Today might not be a good day to buy. Okay. That's for USD card, right? So let's just leave this one. Okay. Though this particular candle suggests that the price might push up. Now, looking at that candle, if you draw it close, see that that candle is a spinning candle, right? So after a breakout like that, the job of a spinning candle is to tell you that the price have potential to continue to the upside. Okay, so and that said, it means that we need to wait out for this inside bar to be taken out. Otherwise, this inside bar might just be the one to push it down. So since we are waiting for it to decide whether we want to go up or go down, let us fully wait for today without jumping to any trade on USD card. So USD card out, no trade for today. And of course, Euro CHF. For Euro CHF, let's look at this first. Okay. This might just be another way of saying that this particular one might drop, right? Well, let's look at 4 hours. Well, 4 hours still suggests also that the price might drop, right? And that's for 4 hours. Let's look at daily. Daily time frame also suggests that the price might drop. So why don't we, go ahead and go back to 1 hour and look for sell opportunity. Now, sell opportunity might just be that we are going to have to, let me check this one. Okay. Sell opportunity on Euro JPY. Sorry, Euro CHF rather. Euro CHF. Let's look at this one. Okay, this one is also saying bearish cipher. Okay, so that means we are in for a sell on this one. Okay, let's look for an entry. Entry. Let's check this one for entry. Okay, so I think we might just go ahead and sell this one right now. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and place instant execution for a sell. Now, the reason why we are selling is simple. We can see right now that there's a bearish engulfing candle from around this moving average, close below it. So it might just be that the price is ready to continue to, down to, okay, that means to drop on the chart. Okay, and if we're going to use stop loss, take profit, we have advantage of it, so we can extend it to wherever we want. But stop loss might be very dicey. Okay, because if we use this short stop loss, good enough, but then it's also not good enough. So why don't we push it to this level? Okay, and drop it, say around this level. Let's just push up a little bit on this level and drop it. Now, if you zoom in, I will tell you the reason why that place is better. Okay, if you look at this one, there is more like a range market here, more like a range, right? Okay, so after that range, there's a breakout. Now, if the price is going to push up, it might just push up to that same range region and drop. So that means we'll be safe. That stop loss will be safe where it is. So I think stop loss is okay where it is. Take profit is also okay where it is. So we are placing an instant execution on Euro CHF sell. And we expect the price to actually drop further for today. If it's so drop, then it will be good, to take profit at a lower level. That's about almost 100 pips. Okay. Let me quickly jump back to comment section and read. Comment section, read. Sorry, we are not seeing the screen. Now you can see it. US 100, USD. So it's US 30, not US 100. Yes, of course, it's US 30. This US 30, is it the same thing as US 100? No, they are different instruments. If they are the same thing, then they are US 30 or US 100. That'll be one of them. But they are similar anyway. Both are indices on the New York Stock Exchange. Now that's for Rachel Edu. Is it Rachel? Is Rachel spelled like that? Okay, Rachel Edu. US 30 and US 100 are both indices on the New York Stock Exchange. Okay, Olorunfemi Sunday. So how is the value of the US? Please show the value of the US 30. Oga Olorunfemi, please stand by on US 30. okay, and leave the value for the way the value is. Didn't get the price, leave the price. Please help in writing US 100. I've never even looked at US 100. So what am I writing on US 100? Please, the US 30 is not clear. I said you should place a buy. You said it's not clear. That one is for Toulouse. I'm reading everybody's comments one by one, and I'm giving you direct answer. So US 100 or US 30. I've been saying it, Ronnie Mercy. It is US 30. We just looked at. Anything on gold, we'll get to gold. When we get there, we'll know. Michael Anthony. Young Maurice said them. Please, sir, gold. We'll get there. Is the US 100 buy limit? We have not even touched US 100. So which one is buy limit? Good, please. Ian, good. Everybody, good, good, good. Let's go to this other comment. He has not treated you. Hey, thank you very much, Gary. Thank you very much. Okay, please drop your name and number at the end of the solution. I'm a newcomer. You're welcome, Abraham, to everyone. You're welcome. My name is Olusegun, and I'm greeting you again. You're welcome. Okay, my phone number, well, you can get it from your manager. If you so desire, let me not, begin to broadcast it again this morning. Good morning, US 100. Get there when we get there. Okay, so please, can any trader paste all the TP and SL? Why? Why should you place TP and SL? So that all of you can copy it. Okay. Hey, yes, it is Rachel level. Stop loss and TP for US 30, please. I gave it out. I don't know if I can revisit it. Good, please. My name is Linda. I'm a newcomer. Linda, you're welcome. All right. I think you mistakenly mixed up US 30 and US 100. Did I mention US 100? I don't think so. Okay. So my name is Abosede. Abosede, you're welcome. Long time, sir. XU. XCU. What is XCU? Okay. You're welcome. All right. So let me go back to the chat and then you can. Winnie. I'm new here. Winnie, you're welcome. Winnie. Okay. What I mean was that the value of stop loss was not placed on the screen. We don't need to place it on the screen. What's your name now? Let me go back to this list. I want to pick somebody's name. It's disturbing me since. Let me see. I want to get somebody's name. Hello, coach. What I mean was that I actually wanted to get your name. But I put it, anything on gold. When we get to gold, when I was asking anything on gold, permit me to just plug my laptop and play so that the power does not, give us issue this morning. Okay, so all right, so back better. Now, let me read more comments before I move on. US 30, please. Now, wow. Okay, so go back to US 30. This is US 30. Okay, and this is the last time I'll be looking at US 30 this morning. I gave it out here. Let me go back to share screen. Hold on. New share. I'm going to share a whiteboard. This whiteboard. All right, US 30. Instance. Right. Because that means you have to enter at your own price. Okay. Meaning, I don't know if I must write everything out. You must enter at your own price. I'm writing all these jargons on the screen because of newcomers. If it is for those old people that are coming back giving me issues, I won't write it. Okay. Now, TP. We'll look at it now. The TP I choose was around, let me check. Sure. TP I choose was 38864. Stop loss 38863. Okay, so go back. 388. Stop loss 388. 380.63. Let me check. Let me be sure. 380.63. That's right. 380. Okay, so for all those people that have been giving me issues on US 30, these are the informations you should have that you have been asking for. Now, I did this one because of those people that are asking me take profit and stop loss. Okay, that's why I'm doing this, especially for newcomers. If it is for old students, I won't write it because I told you instant buy. That means you have to buy on your screen as you see it. That's what the price, chart structure actually showed this morning. And I'm hoping that we make money on it, okay, together. You can use your own lot size and you don't have to use mine, all right? Of course, even me, I didn't even show you my own lot size, okay? So let me go back to the chart very fast this morning. And of course, I can close this, start. So I'm going to go to USD very fast. USD very fast. Let's go to zoom in. The price of USD is just like that of USD CAD. And if you go back to 1 hour, it shows us that the price still have potential to push forward. Okay, but then if we kind of zoom in on this, that the price has actually moved up further, still waxing strong. Even on the monthly chart, there's still room for the price to push further. Okay. So what do we do on USD? That's very, very dicey. Are we buying or selling? All right. Are we buying or selling? If you ask about it, don't know what to do on this USD. It looks good to buy, but then you need to be very careful buying. Okay. So since I'm not sure, one of the rules of the game is that if you're not sure of something, you quit or you leave it. Love Modern. Good morning, sir. Here. My name is Love. Wow, Love. Love wanting to. You're welcome, Love. Let me see more comments. Bless you. Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Actually wanted to read more comments. I don't know what happened to my mouse this morning. That's my trackpad. It's kind of leaving this morning. So let me switch to mouse. Okay, so I just read your name now. Love, I've seen your name. Okay, so Tolu Tilus Energy. Please give us buy on Euro CHF, but they didn't give us SLRT. People told you I didn't give you SLRT. It's the first thing I even wrote out. Okay, good morning, sir. Nena. Nah, sorry. I'm Andrew. I'm Andrew, a new trader. Need the basics. You will not get basics here. There's a class for basics. Okay, this is an analysis class. This is a class where we take trades. Okay, I really explain why we took trade. Okay, but then sometimes I do. That's at this forum. So we are not here to discuss basics, right? We are here to, actually look for opportunity, jump into trade and make money. Okay, Elias, good morning. May God bless you, sir. From Ilorin. My name is Elias. Please, sir. Don't forget my AI setup. No problem, Mr. Elias. We'll look into that. Of course, God will help all of us. Okay, so let me close the comment section and jump back to trading. So we'll look at USDJPY now. And USDJPY has defied all odds just like gold did last week. Of course, it still waxes strong. And whatever price is doing like this, it's actually interesting. Okay, you might want to jump into it and continue. Just like George Soros would say, be fearful when others are afraid to. Sorry, be fearful when others are jumping in and buying or selling, and be all in when people are skeptical of going out. So now people are skeptical of buying. The price, really pushing forward. It will just do the same thing that gold did last time. Don't worry, we'll get to gold. When we get to gold, we'll look at it. Okay, so for me personally, I would rather stay off USDJPY also, because I don't know, I'm not really sure what the price will do. But if you must trade, I think buy is good enough. If you must trade, buy is good enough. You can use any instrument or any indicator to actually set that up. For example, here, this one says buy, so you would have followed buy. Okay, so what we can do is to wait for 1 hour chart and see if opportunity come, we can buy. So anytime this price come back to this moving average, we jump into it and buy. And I think that's what I said last week. I think I said something like this on USDPY last week. And those people that took advantage of that can testify now, even right here, that they actually made money, right? So I've heard so much about you. First time here, you are good with the charts. Thank you very much, Kaba. I should be good with the chart because I've been on this for more than 10 years. So chat and me, we are friends. So all right, so please, can I have your number? Modern love. You just get it from who is your manager? Just get it from your manager. Okay, and of course, but then why? I can just give it to everybody. So I'm going to type it on the comment section 09020398739. WhatsApp only, please. Okay, WhatsApp only. WhatsApp only for now. All right. So if you send me WhatsApp now, I'll receive it. I'll reply to your message. Why? Because the phone is down. All right, but the WhatsApp is up 100%. Okay, what's your MA number and you use to determine the price? When we get to basic class, Emmanuel, you know, but basically, I use 21. I'm a fan of 21. Sometimes I switch, okay, to 13. You can see this one is 50. Sometimes I switch to 13, sometimes I switch to 50. I use 21, 50, 13. Depends on my mood, depends on the chart. So for USDJPY, we're looking for a buy when the price comes to 50. So let me look at more comments. Yes, I've been here for more than 10 years, Kaba. Right. So I know when I see it. Now GBP USD, I think I want to go in for a buy on this one. If you want to do instant, you are welcome with me. So I think I would rather do GBP USD buy for today. I'm going to jump into it buy. Now I'm buying now, and people will still be asking me what's my entry price. You can see that as I enter, you cannot enter at my price. So, and of course, my stop loss is going to be very tight. Stop loss is going to be around here, tight. Okay. And my take profit can be big. Okay, big. So I'm targeting about 1 to 3 or 1 to 2 and so stop loss is about 50 pips and take profit is about 140 pips. That's about 1 to 3, almost 1 to 3. So USD instant buy, and of course that's it. So and stop loss is 50 pips. So you set 50 pips as a stop loss. All of you should set it. Whether you are new or old, set 50 pips as your stop loss for Euro USD and set about 140 pips as your take profit for GBP USD. So I'm going to jump into gold. You can see the way I'm doing it very fast because we have a long way to go. People have been asking for gold. Now, I believe that gold should drop because if you look at the D1, there was more like inverted hammer last week. Okay, that's the last closing day of the week. That's Friday. So what we can do is to, if you want to be very comfortable with sell, you can wait at the tip of that inverted hammer and do a sell around it. So we can do sell stop. It's okay to do sell stop around this tip. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Let me repeat it like that. So if the price break below this level, let me drag this one. Why? So if the price break below that tip, you can jump into a sell on gold. But if you want to be aggressive, based on the fact that an inverted hammer printed on the chart, you can go ahead and do instant execution sell. So and your stop loss, remember your stop loss should be high, at the high of that particular price. So if it is by technical, gold is going to be a sell. If it is by technical, but gold is driven by fundamental. Okay, so we need to be very, very careful. That's why I said we should wait for the price to actually break that tip. Then we can, more or less tilt towards technical. Now, technically, good price has given us a signal that it should drop. Why? Because there was an inverted hammer on Friday. Weekly chart. Let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows more like We can't call this one inverted hammer. More like something like that also. We can also say it's an inverted hammer. We can, right? So the weekly and the daily are showing almost the same thing. Let's look at the monthly chart. Well, the month is just beginning. So I think today, sorry, the month is not beginning, the month is half. So I want to believe that gold price should drop technically, but if we want to go with technical, gold price should actually drop. That's for D1. If you look at the 4 hours chart, and we just oppose this with, say, for example, this particular indicator. Okay, so it's not giving us anything to worry about on this. But if we look at this reversal strategy, mean reversal strategy, this one says clearly that we should sell. The mean reversal strategy is saying that we should sell gold. Why? Because the upper band of the Bollinger Band, a price has reversed and even close below the middle band, meaning that the expansion time may be over. Okay, and of course, we might just be in for the information. That means the price might actually range. Okay, that's the way I feel the price might range. Then, if after this range, we expect a breakout to the downside. All right, so let's quickly see if we must go with trade on gold. Very attractive, really. Okay, so I think I would rather go with sell. My submission on gold. If you have question around that, you can ask me. Okay, my name is Evelyn. Evelyn, you are welcome. I've already given out my phone number. You can send me WhatsApp. Okay, sir. One sell USD point. I didn't say sell, I said stay off. Adewale, I said stay off USD, but I didn't say sell, I didn't say buy. Why are you not saying can you sell? I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, good morning. Good morning to you too. What's the TP of USD? Can you imagine? I said 140 pips. Sorry, 140 point. That's 140 pips, right? 140 pips. 140 pips. USD TP. Okay, so with the war push good as Iran attacked yesterday? Possibly, it is possible that the war will push it. We don't know where it will push it to. Okay, to the upside, most likely. Please, when price break to what number? What is this question? Grace or BA Fuller? I don't know that question. I don't know how to answer it. I don't know how to answer that one. Okay, or Grace. But I think if your question is towards gold, I just said that I would prefer that I go with sell. Okay, I said that. I didn't hide my mouth to say that. Technically, gold should drop. Technically, so I've placed an instant situation. But then you might want to wait until the price break below the low of D1 of Friday. Okay, if it is the question you are asking, daily chart has a low, right? Okay, let me help Obi Fuller to understand. I don't know whether you are new or old, but when you say break below the low, see, you see this candle, this red one is a daily bar, and it happened on Friday. This candle has some parameters, okay, about 4 of them for a price. There is open, there's high, there's low, and there's close. Now, the low number, the low price is what you are going to be looking out. The low price here is 233.56. That means if the current bar or the current price today can close below that price, okay, maybe a 1 minute chart or 5 minute chart or 10 minutes chart or 1 hour chart, it doesn't matter. Then you can place a sell. That's what it means. So we are looking at the break below this low. When I say low, there's a price for low. If you look at your phone, it has price. If you look at your laptop, there's a price for low. You don't even need to cram it. There's no like cramming. Okay, so just wait for the price to close below it, then you can place a sell. Instant execution, or sorry, yeah, instant execution or even any other. But if you must use stop loss for the instant execution we did now, then it should be above this high, and the take profit should be very, very low. Okay, even at this middle, or even lower, lower. You can just stick to this middle. All right, so instant execution for gold today, and those are the things we have done. But then I can look at questions now. Of course, D30, we are still looking to buy that. New Zealand USD, AUD USD, and USD card. Stay off. Euro CHF, we did a sell. Euro JPY, we have not done anything on that. Of course, there's no need to go on that. USD, yes, we did instant execution buy. USD people, I said stay off. USD check, I said stay off. Euro USD, I said buy limit. I think I remember all those things I mentioned, okay, because the chart structure actually should tell us what we should do. And when you look at the chart, okay, it says that when you look at your chart, you should know what to do, whether you want to buy or sell. Okay, I can see something like head and shoulder on gold. Yeah, okay, head and shoulder. Okay, let me look at gold before I read more questions. Somebody says you can see head and shoulder on gold. Where are you seeing it? Is it on D1 or W1? Let me look at that person. Let me look at that person's comment again. Wait, I must look at that person. Hey, Shubande was you. You said you can see something like head and shoulder on gold. Oh yeah, tell me which time frame were you looking at? Shubande, I'm waiting for your comment. Please, can you help us with the TP number instead of asking us to calculate scripts? Get the TP and the cell number. Now, this question is very funny. It's regrettable, regrettably disappointing. Money. Your question is actually disappointing this morning. It's actually your question kind of like, it's like you needle that you used to puncture a balloon, deflate me. You sound as if you 100% depend on somebody to do you trade. I don't like such people. I don't like such traders. Somebody that can be, you sound as like a baby that want to be spoon-fed all the time, which is very wrong. If you want to be a trader, then you want to be a trader. If you don't want to be a trader, you can as well quit. You can't be asking somebody like me to be spending our pips for you. It means that all the training we have given you, they have not been taken into account. You go to our classes, as we told you how to calculate pips. I believe so. I want to believe so, wherever you are. And even if you are new, you must have attended one of our classes before, where the first thing we teach you is how to calculate pips. Now, if I ask you to go and calculate 150 pips, you should know how to calculate 150 pips from your entry price. So stop asking me for pips. It is wrong. If I give it, I do you a favor. If I don't give it, you should know. Okay, most of the channels that you follow, maybe a Telegram channel, whatever channel you follow online, that the reason why you lose money is because you don't know some of these simple things. Waiting for somebody to give you a cell number, which is very wrong. So for that money, because of that your question, I will not give you this money. So I want you to go and calculate it or leave it. Okay, you don't have to take the trade. Now, that's for money. Okay, people should just stop asking me TP for you USD, please. I'm not gonna give it out. Okay, US 100, US 2000, US 500. Well, Organ Creed says, please, how can I input SL and TP on my phone? This question is not very funny, but it's actually better than somebody that is asking for SL and TP. This person might have calculated, this Organ Creed might have calculated this SL and TP correctly, but he's waiting for somebody to show him how to put it on his phone. Understandably, that one is clear. If to put it on your phone, you will need to go to the trade itself. That's for Organ. This answer is straight to Organ. His name is Organ Creed, or let me just call him Creed. Mr. Creed. You go to the trade, you press and hold on it on your phone, and when you press and hold on it, there are some information that will come up, like modify, like place new trade and all that. You need to click on modify order. For the order you want to actually edit, that means you want to change the stop loss and TP or even put new one. When you click on modify, it takes you to a page where it will now ask you to input a new stop loss and TP or wipe the one you have there off. So you can as well wipe it off if you have already placed some that is wrong. Of course, you can even put new one if you have calculated it. And the calculation is very, very easy and straightforward. Okay, when you see 150 pips, you add 150. When you see 150, you add 1,450 points to the price you already have. Okay, for the GBUSD especially. Okay, now Evelyn is asking if GBUSD sell or buy. It means you are not following. Okay. I know Vex, I know Felix, I know Vex at all. I'm new and I have not attended any of your classes. Please, when do you have classes? Well, we have classes in all our locations, Lagos, Abuja, Ibadan, Port Harcourt. We have classes today, like today is Monday, and Tuesday, tomorrow, for a full class. And classes are 2 days. Okay, it's either you do Monday and Tuesday, or you do Wednesday and Thursday. Your convenience, right? Your convenience. So if you have the time, you can go on Monday and Tuesday. The class normally starts from 10 o'clock in some locations, 10:30 in some locations, 11 o'clock in Lagos. 11 o'clock in Lagos because we understand Lagos is actually a complex city and we expect a lot of people to, because of traffic, come late and all that. So if you come by 10 o'clock, you configure your phone, you configure your laptop, and then you can start trading or start learning. But if you're in Port Harcourt, Abuja, and the rest of the city where you don't have much of traffic, time to start is around 10 o'clock in the morning. So make it very fast and be in our classes. Go to anybody. Please go to anybody. What do you mean go to anybody? I said sell. We are still on good chat, and I said sell instant. Or if you don't want to be an aggressive trader like I'm doing now for gold, you can as well wait for the price to break below the low of Friday. Then you can go ahead and sell. Now, Abiodun Olufemi says US 2000. Well, if I have time, I can visit. Thank you very much, the Creed, for the understanding. Okay, Grace, thank you very much, Grace, for your understanding also. We need classes in Warri. Well, classes will be in Warri this week. Don't worry. I will be on ground in Warri from Thursday. So this one is Tilus Energy. Tilus Energy. I will be on ground on Thursday. Okay, I'll get the location for you. You'll get the location from your manager. I don't know the location yet. I'm not sure if we'll be using the place we used it before. But if it is, then it is. Okay, so we'll get the location. But just look out, ask your manager that I said there will be a class in Warri this Thursday and Friday. Yes, there will be. Now, good, who has it? Is anybody having good? If you're looking for good, you can go and buy it from who is selling. Adekoya, nobody is selling good. Sorry, nobody has good in his hand. But what we are saying is that gold is instant sell. Take profit is about, I don't know, I can give you the answer of that one. Okay, if I'm comfortable with it. Now, please, sir, Monday and Tuesdays training are always the same. No, they are not always the same. David, I disagree. I want to beg to disagree with you. You said Monday and Tuesday training are the same. No, they are not. The Monday training is introduction and technologies. The Tuesday training is analysis only, both fundamental and technical. Okay, so they are not the same. But if you ask me which of these two, let's say you are busy and you want to pick a particular day for the two, then I will say you should pick Tuesday. Because that's what we do analysis. So you miss something, but then you can get by and grab it. Of course, there's also manuals in the offices, because you can grab a copy. Now, we need classes in Ilorin. Yes, of course, I understand we need classes in Ilorin, especially advanced classes. So what I will do is that I'm going to, kind of, the next training we're going to be doing in Ilorin, I also add an advanced class to it. Okay, so same thing with probably Benin and Akure. I'll be asking people. So whoever is going there is going to make sure that there's an advanced class of people like Oloyede and that to actually grab it more. Now, Lagos located, please. What is Lagos located, Linda? Lagos location, you mean? Well, 43 Adini Jones Ikeja. But 43 Adini Jones Ikeja. Okay, I've sent a message to you on WhatsApp. Yes, of course. I'll look at it, Mr. Adebayo. I've said that before. Okay, sir. David, thank you very much. This is where we'll be drawing a curtain to everything we have. But before I go, I would like to also publish the entry price for gold. Price for gold. Let me publish it. Hold on. Let me publish this one. Okay, so let me do new chart, new whiteboard. And I'm going to wipe this one off. Clear drawing. And I'll be good. Cells. Is TP SL. Gather that for you right now. The TP is 2257.41. 2257.41. Stop loss is 2437.34. 2437.34. Now that's mine, right? That's my take profit and stop loss. You can vary your own if you choose. You can use less, you can use more. Okay, and of course, I'll see you on the brighter side, like this on God. Right? I'll see you on the brighter side. So I want to thank all of us for your patience. And I believe that as we move on this week, it's going to be a blessing for all of us. Appreciate you all. Welcome. Bye-bye.